This is CodeCombat. I'm working on Computer Science 2, the Python version. I'm on level 16, Range Finder. Let's see. Goal: defeat the ogres. Use distance 2 to find the range to each enemy. And use say to call the range for your artillery. Oh, cool. Then sit back and watch the fireworks. Alright. Okay, so what do we need to do? Arrow. Say the distance to the variable. Right. So we can launch off this cannon thing or whatever. We need to say the distance. Do they do that up here? Oh, look what they do. So I'm going to use their code as an example. Enemy 1 equals Gort. Do they... Let's hit run. I want to know what this means. How do they know? Okay. Enemy 2 equals... Oh, they're just giving us their names. Got it. So pause. Enemy 2 equals Smasher, and then we say distance 2. So we use this. Hero distance to enemy 2, and we assign that distance to the variable enemy 2. Say the distance to variable. Okay. Hero dots... Oop. I'm going to use this. And then if it's a variable, it doesn't need to be in quotes. Distance 2, right? Yep, okay. Don't shoot at your friends. Charles is our friend. So yeah, let's not shoot at him. And then ogre, that guy, find the distance. Okay, how do we find the distance? I'm going to look up here. Find distance. So what I want to do then is for enemy 4, I'm going to do distance. Let's show that. I want distance 4, we'll say. I could name this anything, but I'm going to make my variable distance 4. Distance 2, what's my target? Well, enemy 4. Okay, so now that I find the distance, what do I want to do? Well, just like up here, I want to say whatever that is. I don't need quotes around it, and I need distance 4 as the variable I made. Let's try that out. Oh, perfect. So this was that code that worked for me. Great, let's keep going.